I want to show you guys a lifting spring for the trunk for a 2010 Honda Civic, and the reason why I put them on here was because I put this spoiler on aftermarket, and it made the trunk really heavy, and so every time that the trunk would close, or somebody would close it, not me, because I knew it was heavy, or I did it a couple times. But anyway, friends or family or whatever would slam my trunk all the time. They would just slam all the time really hard. So I installed some springs. Let me release it now. I'm going to show you what happens. So now it comes up to about here. Before it wouldn't do nothing. It would just, when I released it, would just stay down there. But now it comes all the way up, pretty much about halfway, which is nice. And you can't slam it too, because then, you know, I mean, it doesn't, you can still close it, but it won't, it's harder to slam. And I'm going to show you guys what it is. It's these springs right here and right here. Let me get my camera down here. So this is the inside of the trunk, and there's one of the springs on the driver's side, and there's a lifting spring on the passenger side. Now how I installed it, hopefully you guys can see this okay. This part right here, I don't know what these parts are called, but this thing right here, I guess it would be called the trunk handle or hinge or whatever. It's the thing that supports the damn trunk lid. So I just put that in here, ran it back through there, through that hole right here, the hole that this torsion rod is in. I wanted to put this part right here all around here like this, but I couldn't get it through there, so there was a hole already here. Perfect. So I just put it in there, and then it goes from there, and I hooked it up here. There's all kinds of little places up here. Sorry about that. This is hard to do, to hook it into. And the same thing on the other side. Come on, where is it? There it is. I hooked it into there, and then, you know, did the same thing back here. So, as you can see, and it works pretty well. I mean, I'm inside the trunk right now and it hasn't shut down on me. So, how it works is it's lifted all the way up, and then when you bring it down, and it's almost closed right now. The other side, it's almost closed right now. And this is lifting all the way up. And that's what happens. So, I just put them on today. I'll let you guys know how it ends up working out, and if they last or not. So, hopefully they do, but you know, sometimes stuff breaks and hardware breaks. And I want to show you this too. This is where I got them. Got them on eBay. Sorry about the damn light. $2.89. And there they are. That's what they look like. So it worked out pretty well. Anyway, thanks for watching.